ChefCarlaAndrea, and today we're going to be making a keto Paloma. I'm going to put my spin on it and show you how to get down in your kitchen. We're back. We are doing another fabulous keto cocktail. I told you I am a lover of all things tequila. I love Palomas, but you know, doing keto, you can't always enjoy a squirt when you want to, so you got to improvise and do your own thing. So I have some soda water, lemon lime. I have some tequila. I have a grapefruit keto friendly beverage. I have a grapefruit. So the first thing I want to do is I want to start breaking down the grapefruit, so that way I can muddle it in the glass with the tequila. So I'm going to get all the skin off, so that way I get down to the meat of the fruit vegetable. So I'm gonna finish cleaning off this grapefruit like so, getting all the rind, all of the bitter yucky parts off. Then we'll come back when it's time to muddle. See you in a second. All right, so we got our grapefruit broken down. I'm going to take the grapefruit segments and I'm going to slice them off so that way I can put them into our cocktail shaker. I'm going to get 4 segments and add them into the shaker. Now the reason why I did this, because I just wanted the essence of the grapefruit, not any of the bitterness that comes with the grapefruit by having the skin and the rind and stuff like that. So I got 4 of them in here. I'm going to get 2.5 jiggers of tequila and pour it right in. 1, 2.
Make it 3.
Make it 3?
Make it 3. It's Friday. Cameraman is ready.
She ready. All right, we got 3 jiggers. Cameraman is ready. I love it. I'm going to muddle the cranberry, the fresh cranberry. And
grapefruit.
You're right. Fall's got me twisted. That's all I keep thinking about, cranberries and pumpkin spice, I swear. But now that my head's back in the game, I'm muddling the grapefruit into the tequila to make a little grapefruit tequila. And I'm trying to be, realistic about how much grapefruit I use, because it's not really a keto fruit or vegetable. So I'm not using that much. I just kind of, just want to get the flavors out of it so I know that it's there. So I'm going to, oh, I'm sorry, Brooklyn. So now that I've muddled the grapefruit and the tequila, I'm going to evenly pour it into the glasses. Someone may get a little extra. I don't know. All right, that looks about fair. All right, let me see. Oh gosh, this is a shaker that's never ending. Okay, I think we're done. All right, we're done. So now I'm going to add some of the grapefruit soda. So I'm going to do just about half of that. Ooh, look at this Paloma. All right, so we got half of it. Now I'm going to take the other 1/4, I should say, and add in the sparkling water. All right, there we go. Then I'm going to add in the ice. And I didn't want to shake this cocktail because it does have carbonation and I don't want an explosion. All right. And I'm going to take just 1 more segment of the grapefruit. Going to cut it like so. Bam, garnish. Bam, garnish. All right, cameraman. Here, I'll give you this one.
Thank you.
I'll take the full one. Cheers.
Cheers.
Enjoy. Wow. This is a delicious.
This is fire.
Delicious Paloma.
This is delicious.
And it's keto. Thank you for watching. If you haven't, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Click the bell for post notifications. And I'll see you guys next time. Cheers, cameraman.
Cheers.